Hello, we're here at the Shoe Healer, and you've probably got the most boring video ever coming up about these shoes. Lovely shoes, by the way, lovely customer. Boring video, and it's about if your shoes are too big like this gentleman does and you're a bit of a distance away, and it's great if you're in the shop and I can bugger about with insoles and bits of leather and whatnot and heel grips and such and try and get your shoes to fit you, but it's a little bit difficult when you don't live locally and you can't get in. But there's always something we can do, so watch the video and then come back to this bit, which will be a bit more interesting. Hello Philip, we've got your shoes here, and you've got a little bit of slip on the back. I see you've put the heel grips in. The heel grips that you've fitted in are quite thick. The soles that we have, we do have these lovely leather soles, and you can try these in the shoe. If you were here, it'd be so much easier because we would try two of these in the right foot that is slipping more, and then one of them in the left foot. Your options are that we send you these soles and you try them, and then we'll see how they go with two in one, one in the other, and to give us an idea of how we need to reduce these. I can put you a nice thick suede line around the back. I will actually double it up, or just where this has got padding on the back, I'll double that up, so we've got a suede line around the back with another line of padding underneath that to bring the heels in a little bit, and then we have this sort of material here that goes in and takes up generally half a size. So this is the insole, but what we like to do with these is we like to take the original insock out and put these in, and it's the same with these. If you decide you're going with those, they go in as well. All of this, like I say, very difficult because you're not here. If you want this material going in, we can put you that material in with a tiny bit more backing on the right shoe than the left shoe. But this will take them up probably half a size. If you're going half a size inside the shoe, do we need the suede liners around the back? You just have to watch this video and have a look and just let me know. So this is the material that takes up the room inside. It takes up half a size. If you want these dropping, they're a size 9.5, drop into a size 9. We can put that in, but I will put just a little bit more into the right one than the left one. Right, okay, so the shoes are here. These are the Cheaneys. You've just seen the video, me telling the customer long distance what can we do with them, and this is the Cheaney shoe. It's got the back lining in. This video is for my customer as well, and so we've bonded the back lining in halfway down, not halfway down, quarter of the way down. We've got a little bit of a ridge there. There's a little bit of foam. The idea of that bit of foam is it cups your heel and stops your heel sliding in the back of the shoe. So that's what the back lines are in there. You look in there, the original insocks in there, and boy, serve these people, it's fine. Yeah, pull this out, and we've got this sock here with the original Joseph Cheaney sock and the heel pad underneath it, all stuck there, and that's going to just go in the shoe. This one is a little bit thinner than this one. Gentleman needs a quarter of a size down on there, half a size down there. I think it's something like that. So we've got a nice thing insole in there and a thicker insole in there, and I'm losing the will to live. This is. Are you still recording? Yeah. Okay. So this
I'm asleep.
I know. But if your shoes are slipping, you need this information. You need it. So what we've done is we're sending this to the customer and sending it back to him. We've got the heel grips in, we've got this in, and I'm taking this back out again. But what we're also sending him is these little bits here, so that you can put this underneath the front and just see if that helps as well. And then the insole in and everything like that. Are you still there? Right, so the other thing is a lot of shoes have a band around the top, quite close to the top, for us to stitch around. These don't. It's right down here, which is not doing a lot of good. We've bonded it. It's absolutely solid in there, but you've got to use a shoehorn when you're putting these on now, rather than just ramming your foot in and rolling off that leather. So that's what we're going to do. These ideally want gluing in. So what we're going to do, we're going to send our customer some glue, and it's just a bit of glue in a syringe type thing, and inside the shoe is just going to give it a little bit of this, like this, and then he's only to hold it in when he takes the shoes off. If he needs these in, he's going to stick that in, he's going to put a little bit more glue over the top, and then he's going to put his insole in. So he's going to be reducing the shoe. Obviously he's going to try all this. Customer, please try all this without the glue, and then when you finally find out how they're going to feel for you, you've got a bit of glue. If you're in this country, we can send you a bit of glue if we're doing this sort of thing for you. If you're outside this country, we can't send this by airmail, unfortunately. But the nearest thing to what we use is Evo stick, really, Evo stick. So we're going to end up, hopefully, the customer is going to have a play about with these, see how they go on. They look just nice. We don't want to see loose insoles flopping around inside them and those crappy heel grips round the back like these things here stuck in that just look awful. So hopefully customer's going to get these back, have a play with them, use his glue, throw the rest away, and then he'll be happy.